If you are preparing an E-1 or E-2 visa application, it is a good idea to take a moment to check which version of Form DS-156E you are using. The latest version currently shows an expiration date of August 31st, 2026. Form DS-156E is an important supporting form for E-1 and E-2 visa applications. The form asks for details such as the company's basic information, ownership structure, investment or trade activities, number of employees, and the applicant's position and job duties. Using a previous version of the form may lead to a request to replace or resubmit documents later. Before you start preparing your application package, please check the expiration date on the form and make sure you are working with the most current version. それではまた。See you next time.